Unpacking Idioms. Drumming up interest in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, to drum up. If you've been curious about what this phrase means and how you can use it in everyday conversation, you've come to the right place. By the end of this video, you'll be able to add this expression to your vocabulary and use it like a native speaker. So, let's get started. To drum up is an idiom that means to generate interest or support for something through persistent, active effort. It's often used in the context of business and publicity, but it's also widely applicable in many other areas. Imagine a scenario where a musician is trying to get more people to attend their concert. They may post on social media, hang up flyers, and tell friends to spread the word. In English, we'd say they're trying to drum up an audience. The phrase likely originates from the days when a drummer would march through the streets to attract attention or to gather a crowd for an announcement or event. So, when you drum up something, you're metaphorically beating a drum to get people to notice and come closer. Now that you understand the meaning, let's see how to use to drum up in everyday sentences. Here are a few examples. A local charity is drumming up support for its new project. The store is having a sale to drum up business on a slow day. We need to drum up interest in our English club activities. Notice how to drum up is followed by the thing you want to increase, such as support, business, or interest. While to drum up is a phrase on its own, it can also be part of a larger sentence structure. For example, drumming up excitement for the upcoming game, the coach gave an inspiring speech. The marketer is good at drumming up enthusiasm for new products. You can also change the tense as needed. They drummed up enough funds last year to renovate the park. She is drumming up votes for the school election. Let's practice using to drum up together. Repeat these sentences, or better yet, create your own. I'm trying to drum up some interest in my blog. The event organizers worked hard to drum up a large crowd. Creating your sentences helps you remember the phrase better and understand its usage context. Great job today, everyone! I hope this video helps you feel more confident in using the phrase to drum up. It's a useful idiom that can add color and depth to your English. Remember, learning a language is all about practice and exposure, so don't hesitate to drum up some conversations in English to practice what you've learned today. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.